Grand Prairie has given overwhelming approval to a crime-fighting sales tax that was on the November 3rd ballot. According to unofficial returns, a wide majority of voters approved the 20-year extension for the Crime Control and Prevention District, as well as a 20-year extension of the CCPD quarter-cent sales tax.
I knew our city would support our police department. We've got a great police department, but it does take money to run a great police department, and this will give us the money necessary to keep adding additional staff and help keep it off the general fund. And I couldn't be more proud of our city and our police department. It's a win-win for everybody.
The CCPD sales tax was originally authorized by voters in 2007 to pay for the public safety building. In 2012, voters extended the quarter-cent sales tax for 10 years. In 2013, voters agreed to also use the sales tax to hire and equip police officers. Right now, most of the revenue pays for community policing-related positions and initiatives including mental health, community engagement, public education, youth services, and other efforts to prevent crime by building inclusive relationships. Tuesday's vote means all revenue from the quarter-cent sales tax can be used to hire, equip, and train police officers after the public safety building is paid off in 2022.
It's incredibly reassuring that our public would overwhelmingly support the CCPD tax during a time where there's so much division in our country as it relates to police officers. The citizens here, well over 70%, have essentially done a vote of confidence in the Grand Prairie Police Department. Our officers hear them loud and clear, and it's reassuring to say the least. The good news is that because this vote is passed, all of our community policing programs will continue to function very, very well, and we have quite a few more on the horizon. So as you know, we recently just started our COPE program to help those in our community with mental health needs and crisis. We have our youth boxing program that's been around for some time and successful. But also all the officers, the bike patrol officers, the mounted patrol, our sex offender registry, the 40-plus programs that we have to build relationships with our community, the cops and kids fishing, Unidos, the list goes on and on. All of those programs are going to continue full speed ahead, and we have a number of other programs in the works, so stay tuned.
The City Council is expected to certify results of the sales tax referendum when it meets on November 17th.